Hello viewers, welcome to Node.js tutorial. Today I will show the example of Node.js MongoDB sort the result. So how we can sort the result of database query. Use the sort method to sort the result ascending or descending order. To sort method, take one parameter, an object defining the sorting order. So now we'll define the sort. Suppose bar my sort name is 1. That means we want to sorting by name. dbo dot collection customer dot find dot sort my sort dot to array then callback function error if error throw error else console.log show the result. So this is the sort find dot sort and this is the sort object. Then we want to sort by name. Now we will see the result. Node index.js. So here is the showing the result by sorting. The name is passed C, then G, then N. The sorting by name. If we want to sorting by address, then what will be the output? So address, then it will show the sorting by address. So first record is address Canada, C is the ascending, and then China, and then USA. Here is two option of sorting. Suppose address 1 is the ascending order and -1 is the descending order. So now we can show again the descending order result. So here is the showing descending order. Address, then U is descending, and then highway, and then C. This is the descending order. So we can sorting by ascending or descending by 1 is ascending and -1 is descending order. -1 is descending order. One is ascending, ASCN ascending, and -1 is descending order. Thank you.